Bojon dinaway magadadok. Nijanishna bake. Okay, I'm gonna do today for grammar. I'm thinking about something here. The difference between a present tense imperative and a delayed imperative transitive animate. When you're telling neen to geen, you're imploring them to do something in relation to you. So the first one is what I call a delayed, not what I call, but what it's called a delayed imperative. Bii'ishiikan, giishpin wiikaa, dagoshinaan. If I arrive late, wait for me at that time. That's delayed. Ishikan. That tells the person to wait at that time in the future if I'm late. Giishpin wiikaa, dagoshinaan. That's a delayed imperative. Transitive animate, neen speaking to geen. And then a present tense way of saying that it would be Gego Mashi Izhaaken, Bii'ishin. Wait for me, don't leave yet. Don't go yet. Don't go yet, not because leave would be ma'aja, but don't go yet. Gego Mashi Izhaaken, Bii'ishin. See, the root word is B-I-I with a glottal stop, to wait. You're telling someone animate to wait for you. It could be an animate object also, because we have animacy in objects also. But all these little things you have to know to make more complex sentences in our language, and we need a lot more online resources for sentence structure, not just words. You know, I can just go online and say B-I-I, glottal stop, and say that means wait in Ojibwe. Transitive animate verb. And then pat myself on the back. Okay, I shared a word today in Ojibwe in Anishinaabe, one word. What I did for you today was share for you how to use that word. That B-I-I with the glottal stop. I showed you how to use it in a delayed imperative and a present tense imperative. Transitive animate, neen to geen. You have to know how to use words, not just learn words. You can just go to the dictionary and learn words, but you have to know how to make sentences with those words. That's where the Ojibwe words of the day guys fall short. Our people just didn't speak in words, they made sentences. Okay, I'm